Today, I will teach you how to create Pag-IBIG account online. Go to Pag-IBIG website, pagibigfund.gov.ph. Then Virtual Pag-IBIG will pop up. Click here. Click View Records. Then View Savings Records. Continue. Click Create Account. Then choose and click Create and activate your account online. You are now in the Pag-IBIG account creation. Just type your Pag-IBIG MID number, your last name, first name, and middle name. You also have to type your birthday, contact number. Then click Proceed. Wait a little while, and a one-time PIN will be sent to the contact number you provided. Once you receive your OTP, you have to type it in the box, then click Proceed. You will see your information, and you need to create your account. The following information are needed: your email address, and there will be 3 security questions where you can choose from the options given. And you also need to provide the answer for each questions. Security questions are used for password retrieval, so you have to remember what you have chosen as well as the answers. You may write down these security questions on a piece of paper and keep it for future use. Reminder: make sure that the email address you provided is the same email address you use in your Pag-IBIG registration. Let's now move to verification. In this part, you just have to select your region, province, city or municipality from the given options. Then, type your mother's maiden name. After this, you have to upload clear scanned photos of your valid IDs. Remember, you can use your passport alone, or you can use your 2 valid IDs, and follow the procedures below. You also need to upload a photo of you holding your valid IDs. After you're done with all of this, you have to click the certification statement, then submit. A confirmation message will pop out on the screen. Read it properly, then click OK. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Pag-IBIG account online. Wait for a text confirmation from Pag-IBIG on your account activation.